Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and I have some friend mail from a lovely, lovely lady, Miss Southern Belle, and she has a channel, and she's a lovely person, and I want to tell you about her. I will tell you in a moment while I'm very upset at this very moment, but let me tell you about Miss Southern Belle. Miss Southern Belle has a channel, and she, I know a lot of you all already know her. She takes you with her shopping, and she does crafting, and she does lots of things, and she likes to connect people. She likes to do lives and take you through the stores and show you what's new at Dollar General and things like that, Dollar Tree, that type of thing. And she shows you what she buys and everything. And she likes to connect people. And that is how I met her, through Dave the Guru. He also has a channel that he likes to connect people as well, connect channels. So she does a lot of lives, so you can go on there and meet other people and meet other channels and things like that. And she's just a sweet, sweet lady. She's not very far from me. She's in the next state over in Georgia. And she's a real Southern belle. And she wears beautiful hats sometimes. And she's just a sweetheart. And I love her voice and everything. Y'all, she sent me the most beautiful package, and I am about to cry about it because I was showing you the package. I did not open it. It was all covered in this paper, and my film is gone. The paper itself, I forget this little guy's name. What's this little guy's name? I'm all discombobbled. So this is, from Star Wars, the baby. Grogu. Okay, so that's the inside. She had the outside of the box wrapped in the other side of Grogu's paper. And there are these fabulous stickers all over the paper. And there's a lot of tape, so it's all stuck together. I filmed the box. I showed you the whole outside of the box, or so I thought. I don't know what I did, but my camera wasn't on, because then when I turned the camera off, it started filming me. I'm like, what is going on? I'm just a wreck because this box was so beautifully wrapped. And I mean, look at that cute sticker of that old-fashioned cat with a hat, and the Guru paper, and all right, maybe I can, here, look at all these beautiful stickers. There's just there's a lot of tape involved, but all these fabulous stickers. I feel so bad. And I'm just a wreck, y'all. So please forgive me. I want to thank Miss Southern Belle so much for this beautiful box. She sent me this giant Fab Fit Fun box from fall, and it is full of things. I have half of it out already. I have tissue to last me for a long time. I'm going to go over what I've already taken out of the box, okay? Let me get the card that she sent. It's beautiful. I'm disappointed, but I'm going to move on and be happy because I'm excited about everything she sent me. Look at this beautiful card. It says, "May God bring you lots of blessings on this Valentine's Day." Isn't that beautiful? And it says, "Hope you have a great Valentine's Day from Miss Southern Belle." Thank you so much, Miss Southern Belle. This was very unexpected. She did tell me she was sending me something, but I didn't know what it would be. And this is giant. And here inside the card, she has her own sticker, Miss Southern Belle. And this looks like a painting that someone might have made for her. Or maybe she's a painter. Beautiful, beautiful stickers. And then on top of it, everything was wrapped so nicely with tissue inside. And on top of the wrappings was the card, and these cute guys. Look at these cute pirates. These are adorable. These are they bend, and you can put them in different positions. You can wrap them around something, their arms bend and do all kinds of things, and they're two little pirates. Aren't they adorable? I love them. Okay, and then inside here also was so many things. Right on top was one of my favorite things. Miss Southern Belle does watch me sometimes do my Mask Mondays, and she sent me a wonderful mask. This is the Glam Glow mask. It is the Cool Sheet No Drip Hydrating Mask. I have had Glam Glow products before, but I don't think I've ever had this mask. This is a mask. It's on a tray, and It has stars and everything on it, and I think I'm going to do this on my next Mask Monday. And it's a very hydrating mask, and it doesn't drip. The essence doesn't drip is what they say. So I'm anxious to try it. And then she sent me some of her pens, and I love them. They're beautiful purple, and they say Miss Southern Belle on them. And then what she says all the time is faith as a mustard seed. If you have faith as a mustard seed, you will do well, and the Lord will always be with you. All he asks is that you have a little bit of faith, and that's very true. And she sent me this beautiful tea, Davidson's Organics. It's called Tulsi Health by the Sip Chamomile Flower. This is a nice box of tea. There are 25 tea bags in here. And chamomile is really good for upset stomachs. It's really good to help you relax and fall asleep. So I'm anxious to try that. I can always use help resting and going to sleep. She sent me some fabulous snacks, y'all. Fabulous snacks. Well, I couldn't believe this when I saw it. Look at how giant this is. This is from one of my favorite places, Cracker Barrel. Good old Cracker Barrel. This is a pecan log, and this weighs a ton. It says that it's 7 ounces, but I think it's 7 pounds. It's absolutely huge. It is beautiful. You know, these pecan logs, it says homestyle goodness. It is rolled in pecans, and then what's inside is like divinity. I love this kind of thing. Love it, love it. I will eat this whole roll. Not at one time. Thank goodness. It's very rich and delicious, and it'll last me a while. So, and Smudge is coming over to see the box, and he's trying to get in. Now, Smudge, I have to get things out of there. So, okay. And also, she sent me, now one thing I do know really well about Miss Southern Belle is she loves chocolate, as do I. I mean, I know there's people out there that don't love chocolate, but come on. She sent me chocolate. I don't know where you found this, Miss Southern Belle. I need to know where you found this. Look at these. These are from Nestle. Now, I have had aerated chocolate before, but never from a U.S. company that I know of. I've had it from Cadbury. Cadbury makes, look at how, this is exactly what it's going to look like inside. See that? I'll have to test it out here in a little bit. It's aerated, so it's just so it'll melt in your mouth. It's so fabulous. This is a chocolate bar, and then this one is festive orange and chocolate. And how did you know, Miss Southern Belle, that orange and chocolate is one of my favorite flavors? And this is one of my favorite candies. I don't know that I've ever said that before on my videos, but she just knows. She knows me. So, and then also I opened this fabulous thing, and it is huge. I have never had such a big mug in my life, and I have a lot of big mugs. This is 20 ounces, y'all. And look, it's Grogu. Isn't this fabulous? It's the baby Grogu, and it's giant. 20 ounces. I can't wait to fill this with a fabulous latte or cappuccino, which I will in the morning. I'll be drinking out of that. And this mug is so cool because he's raised on here. It's raised, and the stars are raised on there, and then these are sort of inverted. It's really nicely decorated. Very pretty mug. Thank you so much, Miss Southern Belle. I can't believe all this wonderful stuff you sent me. There's more. There is a lot more in here. Now, one thing that a lot of the channels that are connecting are doing is they're sharing comic books. And this is a Star Trek comic book. And my brother-in-law collects comic books. I personally don't know a thing about them. But this says it had a price of $3.99 on it, and then it went down to $1. But this is Star Trek, which my brother-in-law loves, and this says year 5. I'll have to ask him about this one because I will give this to him. I'll save this for him. There's a nice cardboard in here to keep it, to keep it in good shape, and it's in plastic. And I know comic book collectors, yeah, you want to read your comic book, but you also want to protect them. So I will keep that like that for my brother-in-law. It says Star Trek Year 5. So if you know anything about this, let me know. I'm not very familiar with comic books, except that when my sister comes to town, and they haven't been in a while because of COVID, but we go to bookstores because my brother-in-law collects books and comic books, and he looks for that kind of thing. So I know a little bit about it through him. And now see, everything was wrapped up individually like this. So let's see what this is. I'm now to where I don't know what else is in the box. And I have tissue over here on the side, smudges coming over through the tissue. And I'm finding some wonderful things. Ooh, these are postcards, y'all. And I wouldn't doubt if she got these from one of the channels. These are beautiful cat postcards. Look how cute they are. Oh, so cute. Thank you, Miss Southern Belle. So a lot of collectors show up on her channel and show up on Dave's channel, the Guru's channel. They have their own channels, and they, you know, so if you're into collecting at all, you can find something about it on YouTube, definitely. Oh, there's some nice towels in here. Oh, these are beautiful. Beautiful kitchen towels. These are Truly Lou Quick Dry Antimicrobial set of 3 kitchen towels. These are adorable. Oh, look at, I love it. It says, I'm not single, I have a cat. And that's a fancy cat right there with a purse and a cocktail. How cute is that? There's 2 like that. Here's another one. 2 like that. And then there is a plain white, like waffle kind. I love these. Thank you, Miss Southern Belle. I love textiles. I love towels. I change out my kitchen towels for, you know, I change them out all the time, and I change them out for seasons and things like that. I love that. Thank you, Miss Southern Belle. And there's something else in here, y'all. Oh, there's a few. Oh, let's see. See, smudge came through, so I have a lot of tissue. There's 2 other things. Let's see what this one is. Oh, this is interesting. This is a tool. Well, let me show it to you, and then I'll read what it says. It's a cat, and it says, Tool Along Bobcat, pocket-sized multi-tool. So I can see it does a lot of things. Pocket-sized, all right, it's got hex wrenches, 4 positions. There's a can opener to it, and it tells you on the card where these spots are. Okay, the hex wrenches are these. That I knew, hex wrenches, holes in there. There is a can opener, which is here on the leg, right here. You can open cans here. Oh yeah, look at that. You can open cans there. How cool is that? Screwdriver tip, which is here at the foot here. You can use it as a screwdriver. A cord cutter. I need that. Right here, you can pull cords through there and cut them right here. A scraper is on the back leg here. Oh yeah, that can do some scraping right there. And a bottle opener is, oh yeah, right here's a bottle opener right here in his backside. There is a bottle opener. I need that thing to take that off of there. The bottle opener right there. And then this, you can put that on your keychain or something. Isn't that cool? Carry it with you. That is the coolest thing. Miss Southern Belle, I love that. Thank you. And then, whoops, there goes, the box is falling. Smudge will be in it in a moment. And then one last thing here. Boy, Miss Southern Belle, this is quite something. And I have to thank you. And I'm so sorry that I wasn't able to show your beautiful box. It was so beautiful, y'all. These are so pretty, y'all. Piper K. And these are barrettes and bobby pins. Look at how pretty these are. Oh, they're taped in the back, but okay, this is, have rhinestones in them. There is the white and pink and red, and white and pink and red hearts. These are a clip. Let me see if I can get one off because it's taped down the back. These are really pretty. Okay, see how that is? It's a clip, and then here's the back of it. The back even is pretty. You can see the, I don't really wear many clips, but this would come in handy when I'm working to keep hair out of my eyes. So for Valentine's Day. How pretty is that? Thank you so much, Miss Southern Belle. These are beautiful. Y'all, I don't know if I can go over everything. I'll try. All right, we have the hair clips. We have these beautiful, I'm going to put these right into play for Valentine's Day in my kitchen. I am not single. I have a cat. And that's true. I've got more than one cat. We have these beautiful postcards, cat postcards. We have the collectible Star Trek comic book. And I almost called him Grogu. I almost called him the guru. This will always make me think of Dave, Miss Southern Belle, because I'll think of the guru. Guru and Grogu. This is Grogu. This is the hugest cup I've ever had. I love it. You could have stew in there and soup too. That is fabulous. And I love the color. I love and Grogu. That's our little Grogu. We have the Bobcat tool. I can't wait to get into some of these chocolates. These are fabulous. And this will take me forever to eat. And I'll tell you something, I will eat this whole thing. It'll take a while, but I will eat it. I will. We have the lovely tea and the Glam Glow Cool Sheet, which I'm going to do soon on a Mask Monday. These cute pirate guys. Maybe I can figure out a way to hang them up there somewhere. And the pens, which I love stationery. I love pens. Thank you, Miss Southern Belle. These are really nice. Miss Southern Belle, there's her name. Y'all go see her. And I'll put Dave in the description as well, so you can go see him as well. And this is a wonderful Valentine's gift. Thank you so much for thinking of me. And I just love everything. Everything is so sweet and kind and so thoughtful. So thoughtful, Miss Southern Belle. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you surprised me, that's for sure. And happy Valentine's Day, everybody. And I hope that you get a special gift as well. And Smudge is knocking things over left and right. He's trying to walk through the tissue. It's all on the table. I have a big cleanup to do. Thank you so much. And again, I apologize that y'all didn't get to see that beautiful box. Y'all, count your blessings. Take care. Happy Valentine's Day. It's coming up soon. Bye-bye, y'all.